Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Red Hat Enterprise Linux operating systems. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Red Hat Linux, that is Firefox. Now go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, either is same. Then click on this download for Linux. See, download started and its size is about 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. See, here we have the Tor browser zip file. We have to unzip it. tor-xf, then tor. Press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. Now go to this Tor browser folder. ls. Now we have to start the Tor browser by running this command. So just give dot, then / start, press the tab, hit enter. Wait a moment, it will be opening. See, we got the Tor browser. See, if you always want to connect automatically, connect to Tor, we have to turn on, otherwise turn off. Okay, I want to connect always automatically, so turn on and click on connect. Also verify the version, help, then about Tor browser. See, we have installed 15.0. okay, see, we have successfully connected Tor, and default search engine for Tor is DuckDuckGo. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor browser latest version on RHEL operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.